All right, our new toy, the SaunaSpace Sauna. It's a whole Faraday cage in a teepee tent, and I'm super excited to set it up right here in the middle of our family room. I don't know if the space is enough. We'll find out, won't we? I'll just place the camera here and let's get going. I'm excited about this sauna because it's different to any of the other saunas that I have had and used so far in the past. The reason is this guy is not only completely shielded from EMFs, so it doesn't emit anything, but the fabric, the canvas basically that makes up the teepee tent is made with silver to shield you from anything around. So you're not gonna get any EMFs inside you. You're truly in a EMF-free zone inside of the sauna. The other cool thing is the type of heater this sauna uses. They're incandescent bulbs, tungsten bulbs that emit the full spectrum of sunlight except for UV light. And you can see here already, those guys, those are 3 of the bulbs in that safety cage here. So again, EMF caging, so nothing gets emitted and you don't burn yourself, also important. Put this to the side here. Let's see what's in there. This box includes long pole, short pole, long grounding mat stick, short grounding mat stick. Get also the grounding mat, by the way. All right. I think those gonna go together to make up the teepee tent, if I had to guess. I'm gonna keep all of this and hopefully remember how we put it together at some point. Longer poles. Of course, all of the wood is non-toxic, it's not stained or anything. So you're not gonna get exposed to chemicals. Here a mat. I suspect that's probably for the floor maybe. A cover. And SaunaSpace offers different versions of this. This is, I guess, the more expensive fabric with the silver lining, but I have it without the lining too. This looks like the silver lining. This looks very similar to my EMF blocking shirts that I have. Yeah. This is, I suppose, then the Faraday cage. Put this to the side here for now. Another cover. Sauna curtain, outer cover, EMF cover, inner cover, frame connector set, bamboo grounding mat, exfoliating brush. Exfoliating brush. Huh. All right. This is empty. More heaters. All right. Yes. And I've tried this sauna in the past, and those heaters just get incredibly hot. They're literally like the sun. Last box. Oh, that's the stool. That goes like so. All right. Well, so you see it too. That's the guy you sit on. And now we need to figure out how to set this guy up. Whew. All right, let's see if I think we had a manual here somewhere, didn't we? Ah, here it is. How difficult can it be? Use your bamboo grounding mat to find a place for your sauna. All right, that'll give us an idea how big it is and whether or not it's gonna fit here. I suspect the narrow side is on the back, which is convenient. So we can do it like so. What you say, kiddos? Okay, bamboo mat is on the ground. And now we need long, short, long. Those are these guys. Short, long, long. All right, those go in here. That makes more sense. This is for stability. if I had to guess. So the short one went in without any issues. The long guy is supposed to go in there on both ends. Where would that be? Here. Ah, here. All right, I found it. Oh, here. All right. All right. Here are clamps, here are connections. Supposed to read it this way. All right. And the top. All right. We are installing both. Okay, we have the big one on top and the small one on the bottom, like so. All right, now we need repeat with all short poles, repeat with all long poles. All right. You can definitely tell all of this is super high quality stuff. I mean, it feels solid, it looks solid. Okay, this guy's gonna hold everything. And then we tighten turnkey 4 times. Okay, easy enough. Hand tighten this guy. Yeah, that looks about good. All right. Heaters are attached. Here comes the music. Now we need those guys here. Looks like they provide edge stability. Okay, so those are all individual corners, and we need without the snap. And then the ones on the bottom are the ones with the snap. Snap should be on the outside, like so. All right, and now we have to lift it up. So. All right, next step is the curtain, the curtain, the curtain. All right, curtain goes in here. All right, nobody can peek in. What's next? The stool, done. Oh, adjust panel height if needed. Who's in here? So let's see, I think that's perfect. Knees, face, bam. All right. It's a pretty neat design, I have to say, how they did that to basically provide a Faraday cage for all the electrical components here and the bulbs. So there is no EMFs hitting you, but at the same time, you get all of the benefits of the red light and the infrared, different wavelengths. And I'm doing all of this now so you can see what's going on, what I'm doing. Put in all of the bulbs. I'm gonna route all of the wires and come with an outlet tester. Make sure the outlet is working. I guess for diagnostic purposes, so you don't blame the bulbs. You can see if your outlet has a problem, which is fair enough. Gonna plug all of that stuff in. And then here we have the grounding cable. For the grounding mat. Yeah, you can actually turn on all of this individually, so depending on how much heat you want to have, how much exposure. You can turn them on individually. That's pretty neat. I'm going to show you all of this then in the review, the grounding and how everything works back here. But there is this bamboo mat is a grounding mat, and it connects to the grounding of the power plugs here. So all of this is grounded when you're in there, but I'm going to show you this then in a detailed review. For now, we're going to redo our covers so we can clean up hopefully before my wife comes home, because otherwise she's going to get she's not going to like all of the trash here. And, so, she never likes that. That's exactly right. So where is the opening? Yep. So, okay. Now, and before I put this on, for you all to see, this is where the Faraday cage attaches to the grounding. So this is grounded too. All right, so let's see how we can reattach this on the back. Okay.
Oh, the bike door.
So. All right, that was it. Tada! Schalt die Lichter ein, ne?
Oh, they're hot.
Uh-huh. Look at that. SaunaSpace Sauna setup. Now, you need 2 people ideally to make this work. It took us a little while, but it's not terribly difficult either. I think now that we know how it works and what side the curtain and everything goes, I think it's pretty straightforward. Now it's not for you. Well, it might help you, but don't make it dirty. But I'm looking forward to trying it out. SaunaSpace, full Faraday cage, everything grounded, EMF protected from the inside and outside, natural materials, no off-gassing, nothing. Looks good, right? I mean, who doesn't want to have a tent in the family room? Pretty cool, and you can already feel the heat. It's incredible. So.
It's so smooth. That's what
You like the stool, huh? Super. All right, that's it. Can't wait to try it out. Stay tuned for the review. This was just the unboxing and setup. Until next time.